Looking for a standout device that'll have everyone saying, "Wow, where did you get that?" The top gadgets on Amazon are perfect for fulfilling that wish. In this video, we'll show you 20 amazing home gadgets on Amazon. Let's get started. Discover complete shower organization with the ASTOFLI Shower Caddy set. This comprehensive collection includes 2 rust-resistant shower shelves, 1 soap holder, and 3 powerful adhesives. The design features 11 convenient hooks to hang all your shower essentials. 4 heavy-duty adhesive strips provide exceptional holding power up to 40 pounds, ensuring your shower organizer stays firmly in place without ever falling off the wall. Built for lasting performance, these matte black shelves are crafted from premium stainless steel with maximum rust resistance. This comprehensive collection includes 8 round hand-woven cotton coasters in 4 elegant colors, plus a stylish black metal holder. At 4.3 inches in diameter, these minimalist coasters complement any home decor. These naturally safe coasters abandon flashy appearances for pure performance, integrating seamlessly into any room, from kitchen to bedroom, while protecting your surfaces from any type of drink. Enjoy worry-free drink time with the superior absorbency of 100% cotton and linen construction. Experience cozy ambiance anywhere with the ROZATO Tabletop Fire Pit. Built for lasting durability with a solid steel base and tempered glass panes, this portable fireplace assembles effortlessly without tools. Simply add ethanol fuel or rubbing alcohol for instant warmth and atmosphere. Create perfect s'mores with the included accessories. 3 extendable roasting sticks and a bamboo serving board make this the ideal gift for outdoor treat lovers. The clean-burning fuel produces no ash, soot, or smoke while creating beautiful 8 to 12-inch flames. This comprehensive set includes 4 crystal-clear containers with matching lids, 2 12-ounce and 2 10-ounce sizes, perfect for all your bathroom essentials. These versatile containers are thoughtfully sized to store and dispense a variety of bathroom necessities. From cotton swabs and rounds to floss picks and hair accessories, everything stays neat and easily accessible. The thick, durable acrylic construction features smooth edges for safe handling, while the perfectly fitted lids keep contents dust-free. Discover effortless label making with the compact Phomemo D30 Bluetooth label maker. This upgraded device features German thermal print technology for superior print quality, delivering crisp, clear labels with 25% better resolution than traditional models, all in a device that's half the size and weight. Save money with inkless printing technology that eliminates the need for toner, ink, or ribbons. The D30 connects wirelessly to your mobile device, unleashing creative possibilities with over 1,000 symbols, 110 frames, and multiple fonts. Monitor your indoor air quality with precision using the Aranet4 Home, the top-rated CO2 meter that tracks carbon dioxide levels, temperature, humidity, and atmospheric pressure in real time. Its power-efficient e-ink display operates wirelessly for up to 4 years on a single set of batteries, providing worry-free monitoring without cords or cables. Stay informed effortlessly with intuitive color coding and clear numeric displays. When CO2 levels rise too high, visual indicators and optional buzzer alerts let you know it's time to ventilate. Transform your space with this elegant reed diffuser set, featuring the fresh, clean scent of crisp air, fresh laundry, and lily of the valley. Each set includes a stylish glass bottle filled with 6.7 fluid ounces of premium essential oil blend, decorative preserved baby's breath flowers, and 8 pure cotton reeds. Experience long-lasting fragrance for up to 90 days as the cotton reeds slowly release their subtle aroma throughout your room. Easily customize the scent intensity by adjusting the number of reeds used. Perfect for any indoor space, from bedrooms to offices to bathrooms. Built with premium materials and customer-driven upgrades, this mop features a fully sealed 410 milliliter bottle that prevents leaks and a reinforced trigger for reliable performance. Whether wet or dry mopping, its microfiber pad effectively captures dirt and dust from any surface. Designed for efficiency, this versatile mop eliminates the need for heavy buckets. Simply fill the refillable bottle with your preferred cleaning solution and control the fine mist spray with the ergonomic trigger. The durable aluminum handle and 360-degree rotating head reach every corner, even under furniture, while keeping your back comfortable. Maximize your storage space with this versatile two-tier sliding organizer. Perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, closets, and pantries, its clear PT construction provides durable, food-safe organization for everything from medicines to toiletries to pantry items. Stay organized with the efficient pull-out drawer design, featuring convenient handles and removable dividers. The transparent construction lets you quickly locate items while customizable compartments adapt to your storage needs. 4 reinforced stainless steel support tubes provide stable, reliable structure. Protect your hands in comfort with these premium natural rubber cleaning gloves. Featuring a soft, skin-friendly design with plush velvet lining, they keep hands warm and dry while absorbing moisture during extended use. The textured palm and fingers provide enhanced grip and control for all your cleaning tasks. Perfect for everything from dishwashing to gardening, these versatile gloves shield against corrosive liquids while maintaining excellent dexterity. The set includes 4 different colored pairs for easy task separation. Combining form and function, this clever design features a ceramic base with a spring-loaded platform that creates rich suds, while the bamboo brush delivers powerful scrubbing performance. The ergonomic design allows for effortless one-handed operation. Built for convenience and sustainability, this eco-friendly cleaning solution uses bamboo, ceramic, and recycled plastic materials. The ceramic base is dishwasher safe, while the natural bamboo brush maintains its beauty with simple hand washing and occasional oil treatment. Featuring advanced dual heating technology, this bread machine surrounds your loaf with 360-degree warmth from both top and bottom heaters. The powerful 550-watt system intelligently adjusts during baking, delivering perfectly fluffy bread in about an hour, less than conventional makers. Make fresh bread on your schedule with the convenient 15-hour delay timer. Whether you want warm bread for breakfast or a fresh loaf for dinner, simply set it and forget it. The automatic 1-hour keep warm function and 15-minute power interruption recovery ensure your bread turns out perfect every time. Perfect for lightweight items like clothes, shoes, toys, and office supplies, these stylishly neutral storage boxes blend seamlessly into any room of your home. Each unit measures 16.9 inches long, 13.19 inches wide, and 7.08 inches high, providing ample storage while maintaining a compact footprint. When not needed, these organizers fold flat for space-saving storage. The set includes 5 stackable shelves that can be arranged to maximize vertical space, letting you customize the perfect storage solution for your needs. Step into comfort with the BULULOM bathroom floor mat, featuring an elegant waffle design crafted from premium upgraded yarns. This thoughtfully engineered mat combines style with durability, using thicker, heavier threads that maintain their shape wash after wash. Experience instant water absorption with the high-density microfiber construction. As you step out of the shower or bath, this mat quickly wicks away moisture while wrapping your feet in cozy warmth. No more bending over to wipe up puddles. This non-adhesive liner features an incredibly strong grip design that prevents slipping and bunching, while eliminating the hassle of sticky residue. Your items stay securely in place without any messy glue to clean up later. Engineered with a thicker cushioned construction on both top and bottom surfaces, this liner provides superior protection for your valuable items. The breathable open-hole design prevents dirt and debris buildup while safeguarding your cabinets and drawers. The sphere tray creates 6 perfectly round 2-inch ice balls with just one press, thanks to its convenient quick-release buckle design. A thoughtful bonus funnel makes filling simple, while unique bumping seals and balanced base ensure flawlessly formed spheres every time. For classic cocktail enthusiasts, the square ice tray produces 6 large 2-inch cubes that cool drinks efficiently while melting slowly. These generously sized cubes are perfect for your favorite spirits, from old-fashioned and Scotch to bourbon and blended whiskeys. This versatile 30-liter carrier adapts to your daily needs, from organizing work essentials to packing picnic supplies or serving as your reliable shopping companion. Engineered with convenience in mind, this tote collapses to less than 2 inches thick for effortless storage anywhere. Despite its lightweight design at just 1.25 pounds, it carries an impressive 30 pounds of cargo. The comfortable dual-strap design allows for easy one-handed carrying, while an interior zippered pocket keeps your valuables secure. Discover ultimate comfort with the HOUCHICS fur-padded footstool, your perfect companion for relaxation. Featuring premium high-density sponge padding beneath plush teddy fleece upholstery, this ottoman provides luxurious support whether you're resting your feet or using it as extra seating. This versatile piece adapts to any space in your home. Use it as a dressing stool in your bedroom, a shoe-fitting bench at your entryway, or a cozy footrest under your desk. The elegant design complements any decor style while adding both function and fashion to your space. This silicone spoon holder lovingly embraces your cooking utensils, preventing them from slipping into pots while keeping lids slightly lifted, perfect for reducing sauces and soups. Its flexible design fits standard spoons, spatulas, and ladles with a snug, secure grip. But Hug Dug isn't just a pot companion. Flip him over and he transforms into a handy spoon rest. When your utensil needs a break, Doug lies back while keeping messy cooking residue off your countertop. This opener transforms a daily challenge into a simple, comfortable task, particularly for those with limited hand strength or dexterity. Engineered with remarkable precision, this can opener requires over 50% less force than traditional openers, making it twice as easy to use. Whether you're opening soda cans, food tins, or pet food containers, the smooth action ensures complete control with minimal effort. The carefully crafted ergonomic handle features a comfortable, rounded design that fits naturally in your hand.